victim at the location, transferring to county fire.
Calls started coming in about shots fired, and the drone was up in probably about 30 seconds. Another 10, 15 seconds, the radio starts coming in of a person shot.
Male down shot in the head.
It was on the far east end of our city, so it took the drone probably about a minute and a half to get there, but within 2 minutes of calls coming in, we're overhead. It's beautiful. With the drone overhead already, all I had to do was turn around, and I had an eye on the suspect immediately, all three of them.
These suspects split up, and here you can see the suspect running, and we're telling our officers, hey, he's going in this particular direction. The suspect isn't concentrated on us.
So he ran over 4 fences. By the time he ran over that 4th fence, he had had enough, and he just decided to lay down in that backyard. Over the course of the next 3 or 4 minutes, I just made little tiny corrections on the angle of the camera with the drone, zoomed in on the camera, and I could see our suspect that I'd just been watching on his phone in a backyard.
He's right in between the house and those trees.
He coordinated efforts to make sure that they, one, contained the subject in, and 2, were in a safe position so that they weren't hung out. The ability to hop on any terminal and knowing that you can play back the video or also observe what's going on is key in getting more eyes on the incident.
From time of call to suspect bedded down in a backyard, less than 4 minutes. Doesn't get any better.
So obviously apprehension and the public safety is key.
Without Aerodome being there, the amount of properties in that block, huge complexes, we're talking about 200 unit apartment complexes, mixed in with multiple family residences. By the time everybody would have hand searched that block, even if the suspect was there, that could easily stretch into 2, possibly even 3 hours.
We need to rely on a seamless video stream that Aerodome provides.
It was a job well done, and everyone went home safe, and the guys that needed to come to jail went to jail that day, so it doesn't get any better than that.
The 2 guys that we had eyes on are in custody.
Okay, copy, sir. That confirms what we were talking about down here. So we appreciate it. Thank you.
Kind of stuff you run home and tell your kids about,